you can do a number of things, like when you right click, you open the panel, and this will allow you to inspect the record. So when you browse into the different properties about this record, you'll be able to find information like the usage of the field, the security, and so on. So for example, I see that city is used at 33%. Those are all the security requirements if I want to be able to either read or view the fields, right? This provides me addition. You can have a look at the dependencies, and you can even edit this from here if you want to. So that's one aspect. Something else you can do if you go into, for example, another page that has a number of Lightning Web component, you can inspect the page, right, by showing the Lightning Web component, and it will highlight you the components, right? From here, you can click and directly open the associated component. So now you are here inside the other aspect of SX Explorer, which can be accessed as well from the other end. What's interesting from here is a number of more deeper capability. What I like to do is to go directly on the home page and show you what you can customize. This is something you can edit your own. Actually, it's called a notebook. So you have Markdown. You can draw diagram like this and display information about that specific to your org. Like here, I just selected a number of objects I put into my notebook, and this is my data model. So here into our org, this is a relationship between the broker, the property, which is linked around an opportunity. This opportunity is linked to your contacts with this standard object, right? Opportunity contact rule. And from here, you can do a number of things, right? You can add some other objects you will want to. You can show examples about this object. You can focus, only on the references and so on. And one thing I like is the export button. And from here, you'll be able to export it into some other tool like this DrawDB. And from here, obviously, you can do some other things, replay that and share that with a broader team. So that's some of the capability. Obviously, you can do other things into those notebooks. For example, search for records into your org, not only basic records, but also metadata records. For example, the flows, there is a deployment, and so on. So if you open some of those records, you'll find associated information, like for example the deployment, the information about if this is a success or not, the date, or if there is a problem of your deployment, you'll see it from here. If you open a flow, you'll see different information. So like this is the flow we use to create a property, and this is a detail about your flow. So first we have a screen, right, to create the property, then the address and so on. This is a description of our flow that's been generated really from the tool without any manual intervention. That's all for now. If you want any information further, please subscribe to the YouTube channel or follow the LinkedIn page in comment below. Thank you.